Hello, my name is Jay Anthony, and occasionally I jump onto Facebook and try find one of your problems to solve. And today's comes from Marcus. He says, "Hello everyone, new to the group, also new to Power Automate. Created a flow that looks for an incoming email into the shared mailbox in Office 365. Once it sees an email, it dumps it into a row within an Excel document stored in OneDrive. We're going to assume OneDrive for business here and not your personal one. And then he just needs to count up the number of rows that are in that table. So let's get into it. This is my OneDrive. I've got an Excel document called email lists. We open that up and you can see there's a table. I've just created a few dummy subject names. It's really important if we go up to table design, it needs to be a table within the Excel document. And you see I've just given it a quick name of my emails. Back into Power Automate, hit create. I'm just going to do an instant one for now. Let's call it count emails. And we're going to hit a manually trigger a flow. Doesn't matter, we're just showing you how it works. Create a new action. We're going to find the Excel one called list rows present in a table. And then from here, we need to go and find that Excel document. So again, assuming OneDrive for business and not your personal one, the document library is OneDrive. I've selected the actual file, and there's that table name that I gave my table earlier. So here comes the important bit. We're going to create a variable. We're going to give the variable a name, number of emails, make it an integer. Integer just means it's going to be a number. And the actual expression, I'm going to leave down the comments below, but yours may be different. But basically it's length, open bracket, and then we go click up on the dynamic variables, click on the value items with an S. That's just saying I need you to give me the length of this array, and close the bracket off. Then once we save it, we can head back through and run the flow, and there it is. There's our number and we should be all good to go. Thanks for tuning in. Hope that helped you, Marcus. Let us know in the comments below if it did. Hit like and subscribe for some additional help videos later on.